Whether you're looking to escape the city or you already live in rural Manitoba, but you just want a nicer property, this is 34 Main Street in Tyndall, right in town, but it feels like you're in the country. You've got a vacant lot beside you on either side, a beautiful park in behind, a forest with a nice walking trail through it, an unbelievable yard that is tree-lined, and the inside of the house has all been updated. Kaylee, why don't you show them inside?